so today I'm doing a natural bronze goddess cute back to school tutorial. I really love this tutorial because it's basically nothing but everything all at the same time. I don't know why, but when I was in school, it was like my mission to go back looking as tan as possible so everybody can know like, yeah, I just went on vacation, and if I didn't, you know, you can get a tan on a staycation too. It's super fast, super easy. If you're a pro, you can get this done in 10-15 minutes. If you're like me, 30 minutes, because I'm super slow at everything. Like, I just have a problem. What is it? I don't know. If you guys want to see more back to school videos from me, or just more videos in general, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. And that was really cringy. I'm actually embarrassed. But yeah, guys, keep watching. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face. So I'm taking the, I can't talk this morning, it's too early. It's like 9 o'clock, but it's summer, so that's too early. So I'm taking the Tarte Clean Slate Poreless Primer, and I'm just gonna put it all over my nose, and like basically the parts where, not the parts where I get oily, but the parts where I just get like dry. Hopefully this primer will just help smooth out my skin and make it look cute. So I'm not gonna be wearing any foundation. I'm just gonna even out my skin tone. So I'm gonna be using my Glossier skin tints. I love these things. I have two because I bought one and it didn't match me. So I contacted customer service and they gave me a new one. Customer service is literally A++. So I have the colors medium and dark. I know they have more colors now, but I got this before they expanded. So what I usually do is I take the darker shade and put it like around like where I would usually bronze. Well, honestly, I feel like the darker shade is my shade now since I got a little tan. So then I just usually like to blend it with my fingers because it's so light. If I use a beauty blender, it's just gonna soak up all the products, and I just kind of blend it out like that. I hate getting makeup in my hair, but I have to put makeup in my hair or it won't blend. Ooh, my skin's looking good. Where is my concealer? Damn it. So I'm gonna take a concealer brush. I usually use my hands, but like I said, my nails, like I can't function. So I just take it and dab it on my dark circles because God knows I don't sleep. I make the ugliest faces when I'm blending. So I always apply in like a weird triangle-ish thing because I have a fat face. To set, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I try to do this really fast because my eyes crease so bad. So I like to go ham with this powder because I find that the more powder I put, the more flawless my makeup looks. Oh, great. Freak! I should have rubbed it. It's already creasing. We're just gonna work with it. Like I said, I like to look like I just came back from a nice tropical vacation. So I'm gonna bronze it up. Oh, what in the world? Oh God. So I'm just gonna wipe away the bronze. The problem was that I forgot to set my entire face and the bronzer was sticking to the skin tint. Take two. I feel like this looks good. So as soon as I put this on, I always take it off right away because I don't know, no matter what I do, I always get like a white line down here. It kind of looks like I have a beard. Now I just like to spray my face before I highlight. What was that sound? Shouldn't have opened my eye. If you have dry skin, just like keep spraying and eventually your skin will feel normal again. Well, I can't find the highlight that I wanted to use, but that's okay. You know, I come prepared. I just really like a bright highlight. And now I'm just highlighting my nose. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Nose highlights just. And after doing that, I just like lightly, like when I say lightly, I mean lightly, use a tiny bit of contour to contour my nose just to make it look skinnier. Literally before I put it on my nose, I dab it because this could be the difference between your makeup looking like really good and really bad. I don't use bronzer on my nose because I just don't like the look of that. To make my nose look shorter, I apply bronzer down here. Oh my God. My nose is leaking. And then I just like grab it. No, not grab it. I drag it up like this. I try to make it as natural as possible because, you know, we're going to school. I don't need to like come in there with a full cut nose. Like, it's fine. Like, we're okay. For mascara, I usually use the Too Faced mascara, but it's just so expensive. Like, it's starting to run out and I just can't justify spending that much on mascara. But I also really like the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara. So I think I'm gonna use a mixture of both just to, honestly, I don't even know why I give reasons for everything. I wanna use both. So I used to go between wearing lashes and just like regular mascara, but I found that, you know, lashes just take an extra 15 minutes. So if you don't have that, just don't even try. So now I'm just gonna add some blush, which is crazy to me because I always like looking more bronzed and, you know, blushy. I'm using this Tarte blush in the shade Party. It's just such a pretty blush. So for my lips, I'm not gonna be applying a lipstick. I just feel like lip glosses are just easier. Your lips don't get crusty, it stays glossy and cute, and I just feel like it's better. Gosh, I really can't function with these nails, and they're not even that long. So I really love this lip gloss. It's only $1.50, I think. It's the NK lip gloss. So I used to just put it on my lips, but I found after a while it started to stink. I have no idea why, but yeah, I just apply it like this. So after that, I just kind of spray my face one more time. Why? It feels really good. All right, guys, so I am done. I feel like this came out super good. I really like the way I look. I look bronzed, I look cute. My nails are done, my face is done. Hair is kind of done, needs to be redone. I feel like I'm ready to go back to school. Like, let me just get my backpack and show up. If you're a pro, you know, and you're used to doing your makeup super fast, this is literally a 10, maybe even 5-minute tutorial. If you're like me and you're just slower, probably 30 minutes. So just plan ahead for that. If you want to wear lashes, girl, 15 minutes extra. So just skip the lashes and just focus on, you know, everything else. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, you know, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, because that's how you know when I upload. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking. You go practice your school makeup tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
I don't know why I kissed my shoulder.
I love you, I love you, I love you.